So here's how to easily file taxes with H&R Block. First, you'll need to open your browser and then search for H&R Block and then click on the first link to go to hrblock.com. Now you'll simply need to create an account if you don't have an account already. Now if you do have an account, you can simply click on sign into my block and then enter your email. So I'm going to log in real quick. Now, once you log in, you should see this home page in here. You will need to go to Taxes tab, and then you should click on Get Started. And now click on I want to a Tax Pro to do it all. If you want a Tax Pro to connect in person or virtually. Now, if you want to do your own taxes, you can file from any device anytime with expert help if you want. It depends on which one you want to choose. So I'm going to choose the second one and then click on next. Now, once this page loads up, you'll need to scroll down and click on Start My Taxes. And then it will start asking you questions and you will need to pick tags that apply to you. So, for example, in here, I'm going to pick I was self-employed or owned a business. And then click on skip for now or get started if you want to claim it now. So I'm going to skip this for now and continue. Continue with current. And now click I didn't file taxes last year if you did not. And then you will be prompted to enter your info, for example, your first, last name, middle, suffix, and date of birth, and your current status. And then you will need to click next. At the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your social security number. And then you can click next after enter. Then you'll be prompted to enter your contact info. For example, your phone number, your address, city, zip, and all of that info. Now, when you enter all of the info, you'll be prompted to answer some simple text questions. Click on Let's Go. And it will ask you, were you a US citizen in 2024? And then, were you a student? And then, were you a full-time or part-time student? So click on I was a full-time student, or whichever suits you. And now let's work on dependency. Do you have any dependents? So I'm going to click no. Do you have a child who lived with you in 2024 who's not your dependent? No. Your filing status is single. You can also check I want to see if I qualify for another filing status. I'm gonna click next. And now you will review your info and then click next. Now in here you will need to check I consent for personalized services and tax and quicker product support. Now you will enter the taxpayer's full name, which is your name, and today's date. And then simply click on agree. And in the next page, to confirm your consent before you continue, you will need to re-enter again your taxpayer full name and today's date. And now they will tell you that they will need to dive into your income. So click on Let's Go. And then type your main occupation. And if you have any other occupations, you can check these boxes. And if you was in the military service in 2024, or if you're a member of clergy with a housing allowance or unreimbursed expenses, you can check these boxes. Now they will ask you if you have any crypto transactions or something. Do you have any foreigner accounts or assets? No. Do you earn money in any assets besides Missouri in 2024? No. You will need to answer those questions. How did you earn money last year? And then select the way you earned money and then click on next. And then you will need to add your employer. For example, and then click next. Now you will need to add a W-2 form, which you can enter manually and take a picture, but I'm going to skip for now, and then click next. And then it will tell you that the employment needs a review. And it's basically like that. You will need to continue all the steps in here till you get to the wrap up to send your submit your info for review. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.